I go people, I remember your boy MC fellow the audion way of Opa, the Rate President, aka Papa Sadoka. Please subscribe to Otata TV and use this opportunity to wish Otata TV happy birthday. And if you know say you be my fan, home and abroad, for you to just wish happy birthday, you have to subscribe to Otata TV. How to spell Otata? O-T-A-T-A Otata TV. Just say
happy birthday to Mr. Otata, one of the universe. On this your birthday, I wish you long life and prosperity. I beg my fans all over the world, I beg, if you want to give Otata birthday gift today, the gift when you give, I make I tell you, now by subscribing to his YouTube channel. See the link under this video. You subscribe to his YouTube channel. That is a perfect birthday gift for a great man like that. Thank you very much.
I beg my fans, wanna subscribe to Otata One TV. I beg, as birthday gift while I won't. If not, let that one I just do for them. I beg, I will be happy. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you, Mr. Otata, one of the universe. My people, my fans, all over the world. I beg, if you miss him and love me from the bottom of my heart, only one gift now go help me give this Mr. Otata to them to help me follow his page, Otata One, for YouTube. Thank you all.
Yeah, I do that time where OTT I remember. So do be me when I the Otata. I see my after Keke, don't forget to subscribe to Otata TV. But before that, happy birthday to you, Otata One of Cheshire Nation. Long life and prosperity.
Fans, I beg Muna subscribe to Otata TV. I beg Muna follow on.
Yes. As my brother talk and say, me make una subscribe to Otata TV.
Yeah.
Now, so me myself, six una I dey beg una. Make una subscribe to Otata YouTube channel. Before una will wish am happy birthday.